English 60-second news sairbeen. The Nation news. Imran says has no hope in local courts, decides to move UK UAE courts. Daily Times. Public threat of being killed would not stop me from my mission. Public sport cause of elimination. Daily Pakistan Observer. President Alvi for total peace, morality based new world order. SC dismisses JUIF senators' plea to stop PTI long march. The Dawn. News is 8 law enforcers martyred in Lucky Mawat. Ministers confirms plans to amend Army Act. The News. Toshakhana controversy deepens.